Hello and welcome to Healthy, the channel where we share with you the best tips and tricks to improve your well-being. Today, we are going to talk about one of the most versatile and nutritious plants in the world, pumpkin. Pumpkin is a large orange fruit that belongs to the gourd family and is widely cultivated for its edible flesh, seeds, and leaves. It has a sweet and nutty flavor and a high nutritional value. But did you know that pumpkin leaves also have many health benefits? In this video, we will reveal the top 6 pumpkin leaves health benefits that you may not have heard of before. Pumpkin leaves are rich in several key nutrients, such as vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin K, calcium, iron, magnesium, potassium, and phosphorus. They also contain antioxidants that can help protect your cells from damage. Plus, they are low in calories yet high in fiber, fulfilling approximately 3% of your daily fiber needs in a single 1-cup serving. One of the most impressive benefits of pumpkin leaves is their ability to help lower blood pressure. Thanks to their potent medicinal properties, pumpkin leaves have been used by traditional healers for centuries to treat hypertension-related conditions. Several studies have confirmed that pumpkin leaves can lower blood pressure and improve blood circulation. Pumpkin leaves may also help prevent some complications of hypertension, such as stroke and heart disease. But that's not all. Pumpkin leaves also have other amazing health benefits that you may not know about. For example, they can help boost immunity. Pumpkin leaves have anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties that can fight against infections and diseases. They can help boost your immune system and prevent colds, flu, sore throat, cough, bronchitis, sinusitis, and more. They can help regulate digestion. Pumpkin leaves have carminative properties that can help relieve gas, bloating, indigestion, constipation, and diarrhea. They can also stimulate the secretion of digestive enzymes and bile. They can help detoxify the body. Pumpkin leaves have diuretic properties that can help flush out toxins and waste from your kidneys and liver. They can also help prevent kidney stones and urinary tract infections. They can help improve skin health. Pumpkin leaves have astringent properties that can help tighten pores and reduce acne breakouts. They can also soothe sunburns, rashes, wounds, ulcers, eczema, psoriasis, and more. They can help promote hair growth. Pumpkin leaves have nourishing properties that can help strengthen your hair follicles and prevent hair loss. They can also stimulate hair growth and prevent dandruff. They can help enhance sexual performance. Pumpkin leaves have aphrodisiac properties that can help improve blood flow to the genitals and enhance sexual desire, orgasm, and fertility. As you can see, pumpkin leaves are truly a wonder plant that can benefit your health in many ways. You can enjoy their fresh or dried leaves in various dishes from Asian cuisine. You can also make tea or juice from their leaves or extract supplements for convenience. But be careful not to consume too much pumpkin leaves at once or for too long. Some people may experience side effects such as allergic reactions, diarrhea, abdominal pain, nausea, vomiting, headache, dizziness, and seizures. If you have any medical conditions or take any medications before trying pumpkin leaves for the first time, or increasing your intake, significantly consult your doctor first. That's all for today's video on top 6 pumpkin leaves health benefits. We hope you learned something new and useful from this channel. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, subscribe to our channel for more videos like this one.